Check. Okay, let's take a look at the input stage first up. We have a basic input jack, as you would expect to find, a passive active switch, depending on whether you're using a passive or active bass. And then we have a gain control, and you can use that to fine tune the amount of input that actually drives the amp. Next we have the processing section. In that we have a standard bass, middle and treble configuration for the EQ, and along with that we have a couple of handy extras. This groove control adds depth and warmth to the sound, kind of gives it the quality of a tube amp. We have a B string button here, and this basically gives us a boost in the low end, down at that sort of 30 to 70 hertz, the really bassy end of the spectrum where your B string lives. Punch that in and it suddenly comes to life. Here we have another button that says slap. This offers a boost in the high end. So for example, if you play a passive bass where you can't boost the high signal, punching in that slap gives it a little bit of extra brightness up top. Finally, for the output stage, we have an effects loop. With the effects loop, if you use pedals, instead of plugging the pedals before the amp, you can put them into the loop, and this allows you to maintain the integrity of your bass sound through the amp and introduce your pedals as and when you need them. We have the master volume, which controls the actual sound that you're going to hear. We have a mute switch to stop the sound coming out of the amp if you need to retune. And we also have the DI. The DI sends a balance signal for you to send to the PA on a gig, or if you're sending it into the desk in the recording studio.